Alright guys, so I have like a collective haul today. I know I look like complete crap right now because I just got in from the store not too long ago. Um, I have on a tank top, so it looks weird. I don't know. Alright, so I went to Five Below like Wednesday. Today's Saturday, by the way. I went to Five Below like Wednesday. So I went to Five Below like Wednesday, and then I went to Walgreens on Thursday, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. Um, I just got one thing from Five Below. It's this makeup palette. And it looks like this. Um, it's from Profusion Color Canvas. I don't. It's one of those weird like brands that like aren't really like a real brand. They're just like somebody that makes something kind of thing. I don't know. If I can get that open. I'm not gonna swatch all these for you. If you want me to do like a complete review on this, I will. This is like my favorite color out of all of it. These are really pigmented too. It's this color right here. It's like a dark taupey kind of color. It looks like that. It's just like a dark brown taupey kind of color, and it's got some sparkle in it. It's just really nice, and I really like it. Um, that's really popular. And then and then from Walgreens, I got this Clean Clear acne medication. That's from Walgreens, and then I also got this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear color. This is in Sorbet. It's like this. It's really pretty. It's what I have in my mouth. It's just like a minty green kind of color. It's really nice color. And then we went to the dollar store, and I got just Q-tips. Nothing exciting. That's all I got from the dollar store. Then we went to Target. Well, I'll do the clothes now, I guess, first before I do the beauty stuff. I got from JCPenney's. I got this dress. It looks like this. You can see that. It's got like this ruffle zipper thing in the front. It's worth $17.50, originally $50. So I thought that was pretty good. It's JCPenney. And it's really cute. I really like it. It's just gray. And it's gonna be a nice sundress. And then I got these athletic shorts. They look like this. Striped inside. They were like $11, I think. It's not that bad. And then I got these Adidas ones that were 17, I think. They're like this pink color with this stuff inside. Nice. I like them. It's like a nice spring cross. Nice for me to wear whenever, because I wear a lot of athletic sport kind of stuff. Then I went to Target. Sorry, I'm checking. Um, then we went to Target, and I got a lot of elf stuff. Well, we'll do the non-elf stuff first, which is only £2, I think. I got this color long-wearing nail polish in Taxi Yellow Cream. It's this really nice yellow color, which after this video I'm going to paint my nails with this stuff. So it's really nice. This was only like 94 cents too, so if it doesn't actually say starts to like mimics value size. This was like $1 or something. I already opened it. I used it. Um, just like this. It's the kind of used to keep moving. It's like this. Because I just used up the last of my Carmex. And but they didn't have Carmex. That's all they had was that Bliss X. So I just got the Bliss X one. My first thing I got was this Paper Shine Gloss. This is in bubblegum. And it's like this. It's this really nice, light pinky, baby doll kind of color. I like it a lot. I had it on earlier, and it wasn't too sticky. It was like, and it wasn't like gross feeling. I like it a lot. So that's probably, I'm gonna probably wear that. And it's like, it's nice and light, and it's that light pink, so it goes good with like my tan. So I bought it for like summer. And then I got this e.l.f. Therapeutic Conditioning Lip Balm in strawberry cream. It looks like this. It's just a chapstick. It's like this. It's got a little bit of a pink, a little tiny bit of a pink tint to it. It smells really good. I really like it. But it does feel a little bit weird on my lips, but it should be okay. And I got this single eyeshadow in Mocha. Looks like that. Oh, it's the fragrance. The rest of the stuff that I have is not open, except for one more thing that I opened. But yeah. They come in like these little packages like this, and you put them in those contact things, which I have so I'll be putting them in there after this video. But this one is in Mocha, like I said. It's this nice dark brown color. It's very neutral. It's that, like, that'll be good for my crease, because I use, pretty much every day, I use just a dark brown, like a whitish, darkish brown like that, in my crease. That's just what I do. It's like my everyday look. So, yeah. Because I need a new one, because my normal brown that I use every day is from the LA Color palette, but I used it all, so I'm not going to go out and buy an entire LA Colors palette just for that brown. Well, I could just buy this. It's like the same thing. So yeah. And then I got another eyeshadow, but in Sage. It's this one's a little, the other one has sparkles in it too, but not too much. But this one looks pretty sparkly. If I get it out. This. It's like a greenish gray kind of color. It's a little bit of a blue undertone. So that's gonna be really nice. That'll be nice, like out of V kind of color. Even in just like an all over soap on the lid, that'll be nice too. Then I got this e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pen, which I've had this before. But you do need to store it upside down so that like all the product comes down and doesn't dry out as quick. This is in black. So it's that right there. There. I didn't really think that I have this e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder. It's darker in person. This is in Sunkissed. Sunkissed. Looks like that. And it's really blendable. It's not too dark. For my skin tone at least. I could apply that in I probably could have gotten one, but I wasn't really sure because I've never used them before. So you can't really see it. I don't know if you can see that like on my wrist, like a little bit of a sheen there. So that'll just be nice as like a little contour because I don't really contour my skin that much in the summer because I'm already tan. So yeah. Then I got this all over color stick. If I can open it. This is in Golden Peach. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. Looks like that. I didn't even see that. Looks like that. And that's just my skin tone a little bit, but that'll be a nice cheek color. So yeah. And then I got this iPod and Butternut. Brighten iPod. I have another one of these. I have Lux, I think that's what it's called. The one with the red. I never open anything. What's wrong with me? Can't get it open. I had to use a pen. This one's in Butternut. It's like this. This one looks really white, but it's more, it's more like the cream color side. But, yeah. So that's my haul. Really nice stuff. Everything I bought from Elf was $1, except, no, this was bought from, yeah, everything I got from Elf was $1. Yeah. So, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys